Hello everybody, so I'll make a video here. I'm going to refill these 4 tanks, green tanks, off this big tank. Brand new tank I just bought. Put this adapter on with the wrench. And I was hesitant about making this video. If anybody gets hurt doing this or suffers loss of your material, I'm not responsible. I've done this a few times, so I could have a mistake myself. Just a little information here in the video on the back of my truck. I froze these in the freezer for about 45 minutes. You can put propane in them when they're room temperature, and you'll hear it stop going in, and you're done. Freeze it for 30 more minutes, you'll hear more going in if you hook it back up. So I'm going to attempt this and see how it comes out. I'm going to put my camera on my body camera on my shirt. I got to do this quick also. Okay, I've got it on. When you get it tight, you gotta have the tank upside down, the big tank. Open it up. I hear it going in. You may hear it. It's about to get full. I'm shaking it. That might make a difference, I don't know. That one's full. Turn it off. Turn it off. Okay, that one's full. That's how long it takes. That's it. It'll have a little pop to it. Again, I gotta do this fast. I had 2 of these tanks of my own. Pulled up the dollar store a couple days ago. They sell propane. That's where I got this tank right here. I have this big one. Beside that tank, beside those new tanks on the sidewalk, was 3 of these that said Coleman on them. Mine's a different brand. These were sitting there. I got them, so now I got 5. So this tank is tight, and make sure this ain't turning. The price fitting, make sure it ain't turning. It's threaded backwards, so I can unscrew that by turning it the same way as the little tank. That's why I use this big wrench to torque it down. Okay, that's tight. Open the big valve on the big tank. That one's filling up. I really don't have to open the big tank up all the way. I just do. Doesn't sound like it's going in as fast as the other one. I carried 2 of them out of the freezer, 2 more out of the freezer. This one may have been brought out first, believe it or not, and warmed up a little from being in the freezer because it was brought out first. So I'll get a little bit put in there. I got 2 more to go. Okay, that one's already full. A lot quicker than the first one. Actually, I hear it still going in. Turned it about halfway off on the big valve, and it's still going in. What happens is, turn this upside down, it comes out as a liquid. Upright, it comes out as a vapor. Must wear safety glasses when you're doing this. See that? See? That's a Coleman tank, and that and this too. This is heavy, that one's light as a feather. I didn't even get none in that second one. I'm gonna try to do better on these. This one's really ice cold. It's hard to get them started, screwing them in there. Sorry about if it's a sorry video. I'm trying to get that screwed in. That second tank didn't fill up so good. I didn't like it. I'm turning this one wide open. Seems to run better if I tilt it back a little. I don't know what happened to that second tank. It only got half full. I'm gonna try that again. Actually, I ain't gonna bother with it. It needs to be froze. Yeah, well, I'm gonna turn this off. That's the third tank. I got one more to go. That is a little heavier than the second one. I think there's a difference in these tanks. Some of them's better quality. Some of them's got bad valves on top of them. I don't know what the brand name was on my two original ones. They may have been Cohen. I don't know. Kind of aggravating. Last one. Last one. The first and third done okay. This second one is ain't even a third of the way full. I think it's got a bad valve on it. Okay, turn it off. Take it off. You know, they may not get all the way full. That's still better than giving $7 a piece for them. So I'm going to stop the camera right there, because I'm going to refreeze that one tank and try to fill it up some more. But that's how I do that. Thank y'all for watching. By the way, no smoking when you're doing this. No smoking. I'm going to light a cigarette now when I get this propane put away. Thank y'all for watching.